be tough getting getting your regular school in January. That's tough to me.
I came here in October of 2011 because I had an altercation with a teacher. Some people was just caught in the wrong situation at the wrong time, and they had to face the consequences. But most of the people that go here, like once they start, like they get the hang of stuff, and they get the, you know, meeting everybody, like they don't be wanting to leave. Like I don't want to leave, but
I've been through the worst, and I know kids have been through way worse than me, but I mean, this is a school where you don't feel alone.
So I wanted this school because I wanted to make sure that you had an opportunity to go to school and that you would not be out on the street and that you wouldn't end up in jail.
Judge Jimmie Edward is the best. I mean, he's the best. Like, he gives you that push, like, just go ahead and do it. It's just something different to me because my father wasn't really around. So when you have someone just to tell you and, you know, just push you forward is great. And I mean, he does a great job at it. He just wants everybody to do their best and, or well, at least try.
In the city of St. Louis, there were several hundred children out of school as a result of the Missouri 1995 Safe Schools Act. That act expelled children for committing certain types of delinquent acts as well as, unfortunately, certain types of infractions. In the spring of 2009, I was in my office and I read in the local newspaper where the St. Louis Public Schools would be closing many of its schools due to a reduction in population. And I thought what a wonderful opportunity that would be for me to utilize one of those school buildings in order to educate those children that I knew had been expelled from public schools for lengthy periods of times. And so I contacted the superintendent, Dr. Kelvin Adams, and immediately they were on board to allow me to take one of the schools to house what I thought would only be 35 children. In fact, after about 2 weeks, the school board asked me if I would take as many as 250 children, and of course I did. As a result of that, the Innovative Concept Academy was born.
It's a school where maybe your enemies are here and maybe you can get together and just be cool or whatever. So I think this school has really brought a lot of people together that you would think wasn't going to be friends or wasn't going to be cool or maybe even killed each other, you know, a year or two from now. I mean, so this is a great school, I believe. I mean, I really love it so.
The Innovative Concept Academy is the only program of its kind in the United States. And I am most happy because the Innovative Concept Academy has given us a platform to have a dialogue with respect to zero tolerance all over this country. Zero tolerance, it doesn't work. Lock them up and throw away the key, it doesn't work. Because I know that when children, delinquent children, reach a certain age in this country, the legislative bodies in all 50 states have said, release them. The question that I ask is, how do you want our children back? How do you want them back? Do you want them back with a more sophisticated criminal mind because we have locked them up? Or do you want them back educated with an understanding of what it means to be law-abiding and what it means to be a good citizen because we've taken the time to educate them? I prefer the latter.